Mechanical drawing. Sketch your ideal blueprint. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the micro class on mechanical drawing and tolerance fit. In this session, we will learn about the projection rules and drawing methods of the three views. Here is a composite part. Let's get to know its mechanical drawing. Step 1. Read the title block. The title block displays the basic information of the drawing. The name of the drawing is composite part. It is drawn to a scale of 1:1. The material is cast aluminum 104. Step 2. Read the views. First, analyze the projection method. The drawing uses three basic views to express its spatial form. It includes one front view, one top view, and one left view. Step 2. Conduct a shape analysis. The composite part is formed by superimposing a base plate and a vertical plate. A square groove is cut out at the center of the left side of the base plate. There is a chamfer at the front of the vertical plate. Step 3. Read the dimensioning. From the drawing, we can know the dimensions of each part. The base plate is 72 mm long, 48 mm wide, and 18 mm high. The vertical plate is 18 mm long, 48 mm wide, and 30 mm high. The length of the square groove is 18 mm. The width is 15 mm. Its positioning dimension is 17 mm. The positioning dimension for the chamfer is 30 mm. Step 4. Read the technical requirements. For example, the upper deviation of the dimension 72 is 0. The lower deviation is negative 0.03. So how was this mechanical drawing created? What are the rules involved? Let's introduce the first key point. The projection rules of the three views. An object has three dimensions: length, width, and height. It is usually stipulated that the distance from left to right of the object is the length. The distance from front to back is the width. The distance from top to bottom is the height. A single view can only reflect two dimensions. The front view reflects the length and height of the object. The top view reflects the length and width of the object. The left view reflects the width and height of the object. From the unfolding process of the three views, we can know that the top view is below the front view. The left and right ends are aligned and the corresponding lengths are equal. The left view is aligned with the front view in height and they are equal. Both the top view and the left view reflect the width and they are equal. From this, we can summarize the projection rules of the three views. The front and top views are aligned in length. The front and left views are aligned in height. The top and left views are equal in width. The projection rules of the three views are the basis for drawing and reading drawings. Whether it is the whole object or a part of the object, its three projections all conform to this rule. Next, let's discuss the relationship between the three views and the orientation of the object. A spatial object has 6 orientations: up, down, left, right, front, and back. How are these orientations reflected in the three views? This is the three-dimension drawing of the composite part we just saw. The distance from top to bottom is actually the height. The distance from left to right is the length. And the distance from front to back is the width. Therefore, the front view actually reflects the relative positional relationships of the object in the up-down and left-right directions. The top view reflects the relative positional relationships of the object in the left-right and front-back directions. The left view reflects the relative positional relationships of the object in the up-down and front-back directions. When reading and drawing, it is particularly important to pay attention to the judgment of the front-back orientation. During the unfolding process of the three projection planes, the horizontal plane is rotated downward. So the bottom of the top view actually represents the front of the object. And the top of the top view actually represents the back of the object. The side plane is rotated to the right. So the right side of the left view actually represents the front of the object. And the left side of the left view actually represents the back of the object. To make it easier to remember, you can keep this in mind. In the top view and the left view, the side away from the front view represents the front of the object, while the side close to the front view represents the back of the object. Next, let's introduce the second key point, the drawing method of the three views. We will still use this composite part as an example to introduce the drawing method of the three views. Before drawing, it is necessary to conduct a shape analysis and choose the projection direction of the front view. This composite part is formed by superimposing and cutting two rectangular prisms. The shape is relatively simple. When drawing, choose this direction as the projection direction of the front view. It better reflects the overall structure and basic shape characteristics of the object. Then follow the order of drawing the datum first, and then the contour. The key parts first and then the others. And draw the three views together. This is the step-by-step method to draw the three views. Step 1. Draw the datum lines and main center lines. Use the bottom, right side, and back side of the composite part as the datum planes. Draw the datum lines. Step 2. Draw the three views of each part according to the projection rules. The base plate of this composite part is a rectangular prism. First, draw its front view. Then, according to the projection rules of length alignment, height alignment, and width equality, draw its top view and left view. Then, use the same method to draw the three views of the vertical plate. Now, the main shape of the composite part has been drawn. Finally, draw the three views of the cut parts. When drawing the projection of the square groove, the front view projection is an invisible contour line, which should be drawn as a thin dashed line. When drawing the three views of the chamfer, the front part of the vertical plate is cut off. So erase the lines of the removed part. Step 3. Check and darken the lines. After the three views of the composite part are drawn, check for any errors. If there are no mistakes, draw the visible contour lines as thick solid lines. That's all for the introduction to the projection rules and drawing methods of the three views. Thank you.